Hi, let's start block diagram of FA. So it consists of three parts. First is input tab, second is step header, then third is finite control unit. So let's do the diagram. Now this is input tab, then this is the tab header, then this is the finite control unit. So we'll go one by one. Input tab, it is divided into finite number of cells where each cell can hold only one input symbol. So you can see it divided into finite number of cells, each one is cell and each one is contain one input symbol. Then at any point of time the input tab contain only one input string. So this total is one input string. Then tab header, it scan input symbol from input tab starting from leftmost end. So this is a tab header. It scan from the leftmost end. It start from the leftmost end and it go right. Header can scan only one symbol at any point of time. So after reading input symbol, the header move to exactly one cell ahead toward right. Then the header movement is left to right and it is unidirectional, means it cannot come back. It is just unidirectional from left to right. Next is FCU. It's just like CPU where it implement business logic. So FCU take care of movement of FA in order to process input string. So how it exactly works? So initially the tape header point to the start. Like first here it will read A. So A means from this state it will move to A. So here transaction is this. Then it will go to state B. Input header move to state B. So now it will move to this state. Then input header will read state B. So now here it will do a loop, input symbol A. So it will come to state A. Next input symbol B, it will go again to B. It's the movement, like input pointer, it will initially to start input alphabet. Then it will just move one by one from left to right and it is unidirectional. Drawback of FA. So FA has static and limited amount of memory. FA depends on state for everything. Like this is one state, so it depends on state for everything. The meaning of that, it is this symbol are processed at the state but cannot be stored. The state will process the input alphabet but it cannot store it. It just process, can remember the current processing symbol but cannot remember the previous symbol. So FA can read only one symbol at a time. It cannot remember the previous symbol. Okay, so that is a disadvantage. Thank you.